No, Tacks means the original skate, I think. It was the most popular skate for a while. For me, Tacks means how I learned to skate, the skates that I wore growing up.
It means hockey. It means childhood, growing up playing pond hockey with my friends. It's just everyone had Tacks when I was growing up.
Anytime you get to try a new piece of equipment, you're still like a 5-6-year-old kid going to the store and picking up some new equipment. So to be able to try something and know that it can add that extra benefit to my game and help me improve as a player and give me some sort of edge out there, I think you're always looking for that.
Yeah, I think they look great, and the color is perfect for my jersey. So I think I love them. They're awesome.
I like a dark skate. A little bit of yellow in them is cool too, and I think it's not too flashy, but at the same time it has a sharp look to it, and I'm definitely very happy with the way it looks.
Who has that strength to handle that kind of impact or force that you're putting in to have that kind of acceleration and generates that power and speed that you're looking for.